Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're taking a look at this Epson WP4530. We've actually been getting problems when we're making copies and scans. We're getting lines and blemishes on the pages. So that's going to indicate there's something dirty on the scanner glass. So we're going to show you how to clean that today. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to open the top of the scanner. And you'll actually notice there's two separate pieces of glass underneath the scanner. There's the large flatbed scanner. That's for doing your face-down copies and scans. But then there's also this small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. And that's actually for when you're using the top document feeder. So if you notice most of the blemishes when you're using this top document feeder and you're feeding the pages through, and that's going to show you that you're actually having most of your blemishes on the small piece of glass on the left side of the printer. So that's just an easy tip to kind of troubleshoot which piece of glass is causing most of the problems, so you can identify where the dirty spots are located on the printer. So now that we know that, we're going to show you how to clean it, which is going to use a lint-free cloth, your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner is definitely preferred. Other than that, the biggest tip I can give you is to please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. You never want to apply your glass cleaner directly to the glass. If you do that, you run a high risk of the glass cleaner seeping underneath the glass. And if that happens, you can actually cause a lot more trouble than you started with. So please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth. Once you have your glass cleaner in your cloth, we're just going to go ahead and just wipe down the glass, making sure that if there's any lint, any toner, ink, whiteout, tape, anything like that on the glass, you're getting it all removed. I'll just give it a good wipe down. While we're here, we're also going to wipe down the flatbed scanner. Again, fingerprints, things like that are highly prone to this glass. And then once you've wiped it down, it's always a good idea to give it a good visual inspection just to make sure that there's nothing remaining on the glass. If you see any smudges or anything like that, just go over that spot one or two more times until it's all taken care of. Once you're happy with the way everything looks, I would recommend running a couple extra test copies and test scans. And if you can, actually do it both ways just to make sure that both pieces of glass are nice and clean. You're not getting any blemishes. That way you're not running into a problem when you need it the most, because it never fails. You find something when you're in a hurry. So go ahead and just check it now, make sure it's all good and taken care of. If you're happy with the way it looks, then you're good to go. If you're still getting slight blemishes, just clean it one more time and it should be better. Other than that, you should be back from printing. Thank you.